In today's video, I'm going to teach you learn how to track your personal budget in Notion easily. We'll start right inside your browser. Open notion.so and log into your workspace so everything saves in one place you can access anywhere. Once you're in, create a fresh spot for your budget by clicking the plus button labeled New Page in the left sidebar. This gives you a clean page where all your budgeting will live. To skip setup hassles, use a ready-made layout. Click Templates, search for Budget, and select Use this template. Templates are great because they offer a structure you can tweak instead of building everything from scratch. When the template loads, click anywhere on the page to make it your own. You'll see sections like Income, Expenses, and Savings. Edit these labels to match your life, keeping them simple and consistent so you immediately know where each transaction belongs. Next, add a place to log your money movements. Type /table and choose Table. Inline to create a table right on the page. This keeps your tracking visible alongside your categories. Now set up the columns you'll use every day. Date for when the transaction happened, category to tie it to income, expenses, or savings, amount for the dollar value, and notes for quick details like store names or reasons. Clear columns make it easy to skim and spot patterns at a glance. Start filling in your transactions daily so nothing piles up. The more consistent you are, the more accurate your picture becomes. A small tip, enter amounts the same way each time and write brief, meaningful notes so future you knows exactly what happened. To keep tabs on totals, use the Sum and the Amount column. At the bottom of the Amount column, click the Summary area and select Sum. This gives you a running total so you can quickly see how much you've spent or brought in. It's a simple way to monitor progress without any complicated formulas. And that's it. Done. Make a habit of reviewing your budget every week. Take a few minutes to look over your entries, compare spending across categories, and adjust your plan as needed. Weekly check-ins help you catch overspending early, refine your categories, and stay aligned with your savings goals. Your personal budget is now organized in Notion. Track expenses, save money, and stay on top of your finances. Subscribe for more tutorials.